Welcome back.
Today we're going to show you how to make balloon columns and prepare yourself for the price of these. I ain't playing. $2 for single stuff balloons or $2.50, $3 if you're going to double stuff them, which we're going to do because we're extra. So these balloons you can get at Walmart. I got them at Walmart.com and somebody delivered them to my house and they couldn't find my house. So they delivered them to my neighbor, then my neighbor delivered them to me. But you get 15 12-inch balloons for 97 cents. That is cheaper than the Dollar Tree. That's a
cheaper than a Dollar Tree.
And you get more options. Because at the Dollar Tree, the options were like pink and marble.
And Dollar Tree is $1.25 now. So
it's the $1.25 tree. And this is 97 cents. And they were like 10 balloons for 10-inch for $1.25. And these are 15 12-inch for 97 cents at Walmart. So
that's a lot of numbers.
we plug Walmart a lot. It's fine. So what we're going to do is we're going to make 4 quads. And then we're going to do 7 tiers of each. So 4 times 7 is 28. And that's where we're getting our numbers, just so y'all know. So we're going to show you how to double stuff and single stuff. We're going to do dark blue with white on the inside.
Yas.
Yeah.
All right. So what you do is dark blue on the inside?
Dark blue on the outside.
On the outside. Okay. So the one that you're going to use on the inside, which is the white one, you just stuff we have a large non-bendy straw. Get it in there.
Get it in there.
And then you stuff it inside the other balloon.
Yeah.
Wonderful background music.
It reminds
over
me
here.
of the cruise I'm going on for right now.
Don't roll it. You don't want to roll it. It doesn't work. Okay, I can do this.
Champagne in the campaign.
Okay, yeah.
Do the damn thing.
Here
I
we
can keep
go.
going.
I'm sure you can. Okay, so once you get the white and the blue, you want to leave space, okay? It just blows up better. But for some reason, it doesn't want to blow up when you put it on here, so you have to pre-blow. Remember, you're allergic?
Oh, I am allergic.
She's allergic to the powder, so be careful, guys. So.
This is new. You're blowing up the white part, not the blue part. She's good at blowing. It's fine.
No, I'm not.
Balloon confessions. Carry on.
Okay.
You did it.
So I blew it up just a tiny bit, and it helps. So did you want to do it? I like to hold the air inside because it works so much better.
Okay. Then we're gonna put it on. It's on. Okay. Oh, but it's. Y'all prepare yourself for the annoying noise. Here we go. Don't be mad.
So pretty.
Alright. So, to show everybody what the difference is, hang on. First of all, same thing with the balloon garland. Let a little air out, and you're going to push it against yourself to make it round. In our next video, we're going to have a balloon sizer. We are going around town.
Oh, yeah, we are going to get... I was like so surprised.
We're only going to tie the white. Reason being, when we're done with these, we can cut the white and the blue. The balloon.
A balloon.
The balloon.
Balloon.
We can save for future videos because there's no reason to pop both.
Yeah, there isn't.
And we're like frugal. People tell us we're
frugal stuff.
Yeah.
So
here, tie the white.
Okay.
White. Wow. I'm gonna blow up the blue. Here's the difference between the double stuff on the blue and the single stuff. This is translucent. This just gives it a little more depth. It's so cute. And we're doing this for a pool party. So we're doing all blues and teals and whites because it looks like water. And also we're going to add our balloon curtain from last week into it. I won. All right, on to the next. So now we're going to blow up 28 of these. So we're going to do 1 white, 1 teal, 1 white and blue, 1 teal and white. And then we're going to make our quads. When we come back, we'll show you the next step. So now we're done blowing everything up. We're going to show you how to make the duos into the quads, and then on to the next step of actually assembling this bitch. So, just like our first video, act like these aren't even tied, and we're going to tie them into doubles. So we took the darkest and the lightest, tied our doubles, set them aside, We have a fan on and we have static electricity. It's okay. So now we're taking a teal and a double stuffed teal on white. So we're going to tie them together. So again, it's the light on the darker. Tied. And now we're making our quads. So we're going to make a swirl on these columns. So all of these have to be the same, which is why we did the same. Okay. And now we're taking our 4. They're going to be ombre. You smash them together, and then you're going to twist, and then you're going to twist. So just twist a whole bunch of times. And then you flatten them out. You're so good at this.
Thank you.
Yeah. So now we have our white, blue, lighter teal, darker teal. We're going to do this 6 more times because we're doing 7 stacks total to make our 28 balloons. Yeah, that's it. She did it too! Yay! Oh. What? It's okay. So we're going to do this 6 more times, well, 5 more times, and then we'll come back and show you how to do the columns. So stay tuned. Just a moment. Okay, so the next step is we're going to make our columns, and our pattern that we're going to use is going to be a swirl. So what you need to do is once you have all your quads laid out, you can tell right now mine and Stephanie's patterns are not the same. So because they're easily tied together, I'm going to switch mine. That easily, we're done. So you want it dark across from dark, light across from light, and then we're going to start this column. So we got regular white kitchen string. Sorry, my house is making a noise. It threw me off. You're going to tie it onto the bottom. If you want to add weight to this, these are just going to be inside. It's fine. If you want to add weight to it, you can add a water balloon to the bottom, and that'll hold them down.
Yep, fill up any extra balloons that you have and just water.
We can even do that in a minute if you want.
Maybe. Oh, we'll see.
Okay, so for the swirl, so now stick yours on top of mine.
Okay.
And we're going to start alternating. So she put them directly on top, right? For the swirl, rotate 1. Ooh. So just like a brick pattern, you're going to, in between these. So you can tell right now this is in between. The more we go, the more it's going to swirl. So you take your kitchen string or fishing string, gift wrap string, whatever you want, and you're just going to go around a couple different balloons. You don't want to put it around just one, because if one pops and you didn't make the provisions to put it around multiples, your column's going to fall apart. I'll put it around all 4. You don't always have to do that. It's okay. All right, so what I do is I find that one color to, yes, perfect, Stephanie. Yeah. So it's in between. We're going to go on and we're going to wrap all around different balloons. As your column's getting taller, instead of tying just on the one next to it or below it, you're going to go ham and go down one more. And pull tight. You're really just going to try to make that as strong as you can. Alright, on to the next. Oh, this one's messed up. Oh wait, we're getting a curve. If your string's too tight and your column's kind of curving, you can loosen up very easily and move these guys back into place. Super easy, and then you're just going to keep on wrapping. You're doing a fine job. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more. You can make these as tall as you want. We're just doing 7.
Oh, it moved.
Wait.
Like that. Nope.
Right?
Is the color wrong for me? Yeah, you got it. It just looked white over here.
Okay. We're finished. So normally, if you're doing a kid's party, I wouldn't say normal. If you're doing a kid's party, this is where you would add your numbers on top for like 12 years old, 5 years old, whatever. We have an extra blue balloon, so we're just going to tie it to the center of our column. Listen to all those fun noises. Aesthetically pleasing. And we're done. All we have to do now is cut off our string. And we have ourselves a fine balloon column.
Yeah.
Ombre, cool colors.
Doesn't it look good?
This is cute.
I like it.
For less than $3. I'm
Okay.
just saying. It looks like I have a leash.
Y'all, this is the finished product. 2 columns, as you can see. They were $2.50 per column from Walmart.
And that's including double stuffed balloons. If we didn't double stuff them, it would have been $2.
Yeah, it would have been cheaper. So you don't have to double stuff them.
Like these are double stuffed.
And they look so good.
And Dim's double stuffed.
Just to let y'all, little side note, the balloons from $1.25 store,
Formerly known as Dollar Tree.
they are very powdery, and I've always didn't like that. These are not.
Well, you didn't like the smell, but the powder actually affects me. I'm allergic to it.
You're
It makes
allergic
my whole
to it.
face burn. So I can't even blow them up. These don't have the powder. So I'm going to say Walmart for the win.
Yep, Walmart for the win. It's cheaper, only $2.50 per column.
This only took 2 beers to build.
I had 3.
Stephanie
I would
had
say
3. I had 2. Did I have 3?
You've had 3.
I had, okay, I lied. 3 beers to build. But, I mean, can you do any more impressive decorating for $5? No, I don't feel. So, let us know what you think down below. Give us ideas for future videos.
Like, comment, share, and make sure you hit that little bell when you subscribe. That way you get all the notifications.
Until next time.
Bye, y'all.
Bye. Do duck face, maybe.
Okay.
Nope.
Already.
Oh, I thought we were doing like B-roll.
I thought we were doing a picture too.
Okay.